Hi everyone, welcome to Gitu Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a social share buttons to your WordPress website. So as you can see, let me just scroll down to end of this article, and as you can see there is a social share buttons like this. And if I want to share this blog post in Twitter, then I will click on the Twitter button here and it will redirect me to the Twitter website. And it will also add my username here, and it will add the title and the link like this. So you can easily tweet this in Twitter. So in this way user can easily share your content in social media platforms. So let's check how you can add a social share buttons like this in your WordPress website. So for this we are going to use a plugin called Scriptless Social Sharing plugin. So this is the most lightweight social share plugins out there in WordPress, and it will only takes 2 KB in the front end. And if you want to get advanced feature, then you can use plugins like Social Snap, or you can use plugins like Social Warfare. But if you want to improve your speed, then you should use a lightweight plugin like Scriptless Social Share plugin. So let me just copy this name here, Scriptless Social Sharing, and we want to add a social share buttons in this website. So let me just go to the dashboard here, and I will go to the plugin and I will click on add new here. Now I will search for that plugin, and this is the plugin. So let me just install this first. Okay, now the plugin is installed. Let me just activate this plugin. Now you will go to settings and you will see this option, Scriptless Social Sharing. So just click on here, and here you will see an interface like this. So the UI is very simple, and it says that button style. So keep everything by default settings, keep it HSBG so that it will load very less code in the front end. And you can also button output to icon plus text, or you can say icon only. Here in that case I am using icon only, and if you want to show the text like Twitter, Facebook, then you can select this option, icon plus text. So let me just select it like icon only, and let's scroll down and keep it as it is. And you can also increase the button padding here, and here you can add a share this post heading. So let me just show you like this, share this post. So you can change this heading from here, and you can select your social share platforms. Suppose I don't want to add Pinterest here, and I want to add WhatsApp button like this. So I will select the social share platform like this, and here you can set the position. So I will select it after content, so that it will load the social share buttons after the end of the blog post. And you can also add it before the content, and you can also add in pages also, and you can also add your Twitter handle. So let me just add my Twitter handle here. Don't include @ here. So whenever someone share your article on Twitter, then it will add the username in that tweet. And you can also add an email subject. So whenever someone share your article through email, then it will add the email subject automatically and add the email content like this, and it will add the link of your article after this. Here is the link, and let me just save changes, and the settings is done. Now let's go to the front end. So let me just click on visit site here. Now let me just open blog post here. So let's go to a post here. Now let me just open that post. Now let me just scroll down, and as you can see, the social share buttons is added to our WordPress website. So this is very simple, and let me just show you how it takes in the front end. So let me just open this page, and let me just open the script manager here, and let me just find that option, Scriptless Social Sharing. And as you can see, it is only the loading the CSS file, and the size of the CSS file is 2.5 KB. So it is very less compared to other JavaScript files like that. So if I go to theme, then it will load 124 KB, and if I check the jQuery, it is 87 KB. So in that case, Scriptless Social Sharing is only loading 2.5 KB of CSS code. So this is the most and the lightest social share plugin that we'll ever get in WordPress. So I hope this video helps you add a social share plugins to your WordPress website and add social share buttons in WordPress. So in this way you can improve your engagement and improve your social sharing. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and for more such contents do subscribe Key to Blogging, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.